Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to screen mirror iPhone to Android. So first of all, in your Android device, you'll have to download AirScreen application. Simply go to the Play Store, search for AirScreen application and you'll be able to find the option for AirScreen, AirPlay and Cast. Simply download that application. Now after the application has been installed, what you have to do is open it. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So in order to screen mirror, what you have to do is look at left. You'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the help icon that you can see at last. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to share almost everything from your device. So what you have to do is simply tap on the option scan QR code. Now you'll have to connect a device. You'll have to confirm the device that you want to share content already connected to the same wireless network as this device. So what you have to do is open the iPhone and connect to the same network that your Android device is connected to. After you do that, tap on the confirm option. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the QR code over here. You'll also be able to find the URL. Now what you have to do is open the camera application on your iPhone device and scan this QR code. After that, tap on the option screen mirroring and the screen mirror will be started. So that is how you screen mirror iPhone to Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.